On July 18, 2016, at approximately 3:30 a.m., officers from our Southeast District had just finished a call for service in the 2900 block of Eastern Avenue. Suddenly, a Toyota RAV4 struck one of the patrol cars that was parked at the location. The crash was captured on an officer's body-worn camera. Fortunately, the officer was not inside of his patrol car, and none of the occupants inside of the other vehicle were injured. The driver of the RAV4 told investigators that he was looking down, playing the Pokemon Go game, when he struck the patrol car.
Hey, hit my park patrol car. 10-4 him, 3-1. Advise supervisors to respond to this location. 10-4, 2 animal 9.
You guys okay?
2 animal 9.
You okay?
Okay. What's the location?
2901 Eastern Avenue.
That's what I get for playing.
10-4. And were you in the vehicle, sir? Are you okay?
Were you okay? I'm so sorry.
No, nobody was in the car.
Thank God. We just only got hit by number 3.
You guys okay?